Hola! Your dream vacation to Thailand starts from 19,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
भूल भुलैया.
Oh my god. Again, okay.
Wait, you put your finger.
Yeah, one sec.
Ek Thi Diane.
No. This is
What that-
this movie
She had a
also.
choti. Konkana had a
Red and gold.
To all. Mona, come on. You have to see. This is only for you. Shh. In what is that called?
चुप.
चुप को क्या बोलते हो?
खामोश.
नहीं, हम चुप क्यों किस वजह से बोलते हैं लोगों को?
डर.
नहीं.
Did it have Vivek Oberoi in it?
No. What is this?
Hotel.
Haveli, hotel,
Yeah.
lodge.
Resort.
Yes,
Lodge.
Yeah.
Bhootnath.
No.
कोई भी हॉरर मूवी का नहीं यही. चुड़ैल.
It was the year 2018 when a horror comedy film Stree released and changed the game for the genre. For a really long time, we have been waiting for something like that, and now when I see the trailer of Munjia, I feel it's going to surpass all expectations and going to be as impressive, and I think maybe more. And
that's right.
the talented star cast of the movie joins me today only on Galata India. Hi, you guys. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you.
You know, when a trailer releases, you don't really feel so many things. But when this one came, firstly, oh my god, I can see it behind only. I got scared, but in a good way, because I was getting scared, but then I was laughing, getting scared, laughing. And in 2 minutes, I just witnessed so many things. I was like, I have to watch this movie. And very rarely do you watch a trailer and get that feeling. So kudos to, you know, the editors and y'all for performing this way. Yes, clapping for y'all. But we'll start with a fun segment first and then move on to the interview. I know
Lovely.
सुबह से बहुत लोगों ने आपको guess the game करवाया होगा. कौन जीत रहा है by the way? Who's
Sharvari.
Sharvari. I got a sneak peek. I was like, she's only saying ये. But I have a few horror movies, okay? And these are like pictures.
Oh.
तो आपको इससे guess करना है which movie this is, okay? So this is the first
भूल
one.
भुलैया.
Oh my god.
I haven't even seen which movie that was. Okay, this one.
Nagin.
Yes, Nagin.
Nagin, okay.
It's very easy, huh? Just look at this thing and
Wait,
you'll get it.
you put your finger.
Yeah, one sec. Let me hold it like
What
this.
is that?
Ek Thi Diane.
No. This is
What that-
this movie
She had a
also.
choti.
Okay, I'll say a line क्योंकि उसके बाद
Konkana had a
तुरंत आपको पता चल जाएगा. So I'll say something. I'll give you a hint and तुरंत you give the answer. I just mentioned this movie.
Stree.
Oh.
अरे यार.
Choti and that, so of course.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Gold and
Red and
red.
gold.
Tumbad.
Yes.
Oh.
To all. Mona, come on. You have to see. This is only for you.
Fuel and petrol and
Emoji.
Which one is this? Even I forgot.
God, I
something.
don't
Shh.
Yeah.
Square.
नहीं,
वो तो
but
show
but
था.
related to that. Shh. In what is that called?
चुप.
चुप को क्या बोलते हो?
खामोश.
नहीं, हम चुप क्यों किस वजह से बोलते हैं लोगों को?
डर.
नहीं, कि हमारे पास क्या है?
Secret.
Yes, उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
को हिंदी में
But
क्या बोलते
उसमें
हैं?
film
राज.
तो है।
राज, yes.
राज. एक
Mona
मिनट,
got
ये राज
one.
कैसे?
हाँ,
Oh,
because
wow.
of that, ठीक है. Cool. This one, let me also see. हाँ.
Bhutnath.
No, just do a literal translation.
20 तारीख
20 calendar.
20 is fine.
20
दिन
20
You're
दिन
close.
20 साल बाद.
Yes, 20 साल बाद. Wow, now it's 2 all. So I have 4 more. ठीक है?
Okay.
So let me also. हाँ.
Pizza and diamond. खाना और
You're right, but
खाना और हीरा.
you're right. The
खान हीरा
it's just
पिज्जा हीरा
pizza. It's just pizza.
It's just
Pizza.
pizza.
It was
okay.
a nice movie. Gulshan Devaiya was in this. It was a fab film.
घर and cloud. और पहाड़. What is that?
पहाड़ में based
हवेली.
No, this is not that literal.
1920.
It's a very
Yeah.
famous movie.
यार मुझे did it have Vivek Oberoi in it?
No.
You know, there's this very scary movie made in the mountains where they
Yeah,
all
yeah,
go,
most of them.
and then
This is, I'm actually forgetting who is in it, but it's a very famous movie. What is this?
hotel,
Haveli.
Hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah.
Lodge.
resort,
Yes,
lodge.
it's kind of.
Krishna Cottage.
Yes,
Krishna
Krishna
Cottage.
Cottage.
I knew
Oh.
exact.
Krishna
I was just
Tushar
waiting.
Kapoor's in it.
Tushar
no?
Kapoor.
Yes,
I'm sorry.
Krishna Cottage.
Krishna Cottage. Very scary
Piano
movie.
and candle stand.
Yeah.
Piano.
Bhootnath.
No, Bhootnath already happened.
That is old.
This is not. It is an old movie actually.
Is it that वो गुमनाम है कोई?
And nahin, it's an English name,
English?
but a Hindi
Oh.
movie.
Something to do with music.
It's a very कि कोई भी हॉरर मूवी का यही नाम होता है वैसा टाइप का नाम.
अक्सर
कोई भी हॉरर मूवी का नहीं यही. चुड़ैल.
No, it's an English name.
English
name.
European.
Candle, piano,
Oh God, no.
candle,
Give it a minute.
chandelier. I don't know.
ठीक है, I'll think even I don't know how to explain it, so it's haunted.
Haunted.
Okay.
ठीक है, now this one.
Aladdin,
Jadugar.
Pixie, Jadugar.
No, just focus on
What
this.
is that?
Angel. No, what is that?
Yeah,
Angel.
yeah, but
Yeah,
in
it's
Hindi.
Peter Pat.
it's
Okay,
a Bollywood
fine.
movie. Okay, I'll tell you, it has Anushka in it. Anushka.
Filori.
Filori.
Pari.
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 Ah.
Who said it first?
I.
Mona man said.
Okay, so
She's
it's-
on it. She's on it.
She's no, it's 3 all,
Oh.
and you are at 2. I'm
Two.
sorry.
No problem. Yeah? The lady is always.
What do we get?
All my love, and I'll watch the film before it releases.
Done. Amitabh Bachchan sir also had
Yeah.
gone and
Asked for
asked
work.
for work.
And on walking he went.
Exactly.
And he went walking.
Yeah.
We're still, going by.
We're still rather privileged to come here and
Yeah.
ask for work and be in the position to even get meetings with producers like Dinu. But I'm saying that if someone like an Amitabh Bachchan can ask for work, then so can I.
In this industry, there's so many faces, there's so many names, people tend to forget. So if you go and meet and
Yeah.
remind
Yeah.
them, hello, I'm
She's
here,
right.
they suddenly think, "Arey, हाँ, we are writing something, come on,
Yeah.
come on board."
Yeah.
It just
And-
works.
जब काम नहीं मिलता था, the time in your life जब you're waking up and you're thinking कि okay आज क्या करूँ?
In the whole world, this is the only profession where you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. You don't know whether you will be working regularly. You don't know how long will you have to wait for the next project to, take place or for you to come on board.
You have left your mom at your hometown and then you come back to a city called Bombay, which is Mahanagari on its own, and you don't get to. You don't get to be spared a lot of times in this city,
People are interested to know ki who is she dating, who is she with, oh, has she broken up, is the marriage going off, what is going on. So everybody is interested in that too.
There are boundaries and that they definitely should be maintained. But I would look at it in a way that like someone who has never met you, doesn't know you, you don't know where this person lives, nothing, but they just want to know something about your life.
Hi, I'm Mona Singh.
Hi, I'm Sharvari
Hi, I'm Abhay.
and you are watching us on Galata India.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Thailand starts from 19,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.